Hi everyone, welcome to Fit Job. No drama, no tech, only jobs. So I hope all are doing well. And in this session, I will show you this is the short notification regarding the Department of Women and Child Development Mission Shakti. Okay. So the post will be the Anganwadi worker. Okay. The post will be the Anganwadi worker. So whenever you will see any Anganwadi worker like Anganwadi teacher, like Anganwadi supervisor, so don't rely on any type of website like apart from gov.in and bc.nic.in. So if see any website in the last like the gov.in there or nic.in there, so you can trust it. Okay, otherwise the org, then the .com, .in, so you should not rely on this website. Okay, so whenever any government vacancies are coming up, so you have to directly google the government website. Okay, you have to check it, so you should not rely on any other website. Okay, so this is the government website wcdodisha.gov.in or Anganwadi Kendra or Department of Women Child. This is WC मतलब W मतलब women, then C मतलब child and D मतलब development. Okay, WCD Women and Child Development Odisha.gov. This is the wcd.odisha.gov. This is the website. Okay, so whenever any Anganwadi means worker, teacher or supervisor post will be means coming, this will be means flash on this website. Okay, so you can see directly the government of Odisha Mahila Sishu Vikas Mission Shakti Vibhag. Okay, Chief Minister Tukuni Sahu, Honorable Minister of WCD, Anu Garg IAS Principal Secretary Government. Okay, all the notification will be flash it. Okay, notification bulletin, all the details you have to check it, so you should not rely on any other notification. Okay, so but the thing is one website will showing the in upcoming days the Anganwadi worker, supervisor, teacher post will be coming soon. Okay, so I have to show it, but you should not rely on any other website. If any vacancy will coming, so you should check the wcd odisha.gov.in only. Okay, for the Anganwadi worker, teacher or supervisor post. This is the website is Anganwadi recruitment. Okay, Anganwadi recruitment.in, but you should not rely on any other website. Okay, apart from WCD Odisha.gov.in. Okay, in the website it's mentioned Odisha Anganwadi recruitment 2020 apply online Odisha Anganwadi district wide list. Okay, so Odisha Anganwadi recruitment notification is out. Apply online for the Anganwadi helper. So total vacancies will be 4 like helper, worker, supervisor post in Odisha Anganwadi. Okay, and the Minister of Women and Child Development Department of Odisha has invited the application from various vacant posts available in Anganwadi Department of Odisha. So check it. So check the application procedure, eligibility criteria, age limit, selection criteria about the Odisha Anganwadi recruitment 2020-21 from the above the article. Okay. So authority name Department of Women, Child Development and Mission Shakti. Under this development, okay, WCD Odisha Government.in. So the number of posts will be coming on Anganwadi supervisor, Anganwadi supervisor, Anganwadi helper, Anganwadi worker, Anganwadi teacher. Okay, total 4 posts will be coming soon. Okay, job location Odisha state, any other panchayat or any other ward may be posting. You can post. Okay, the official website is WCD. You have to check it. You should not rely on any other website. Okay, this is the government website for the women child development. Okay, government of Odisha WCD Odisha.gov.in. If any other Anganwadi vacancy will be coming, so you have to check it every 5 days, 10 days or 7 days or 2-3 days. Okay, maybe any type of any month, any date, maybe some type of post in Anganwadi. Okay, may be coming. Okay, so you have to don't rely on any other website. You have to directly check from the official website WCD Odisha.gov.in for the government means Anganwadi supervisor, Anganwadi worker, Anganwadi teacher. Okay, So as per the its mention only I am saying, but you should not rely on any other website apart from government website. Okay, Odisha Anganwadi Bharti 2020 educational qualification will be required. Candidate must have 8th, 10th, 12th or graduation pass out from any recognized board, university, institution. For more specific detail, you have to check it. Okay, official website is Department Government of Odisha, or already I have mentioned WCD odisha.gov.in. okay, this is the official website. Then minimum age is 18 years, maximum is 45 years. Age relaxation applicable as per the government. Okay, the application fee will be charged from general and OBC, and no charges will be from SC/ST female. Okay, so there will be no charges from SC/ST and female, only OBC and general they have to pay. So what will be the salary? Anganwadi supervisor will get 30,000, Anganwadi worker helper will be getting 8,000, Anganwadi teacher will be 10,000. But still the official notification is not coming. Okay, it will be available soon. It's only the some website they are showing it. It's available soon. Okay, so you have to check it. The government website is wcdodisha.gov.in. Women Child Development Government of Odisha. Okay, you have to check it the government website only. Only have to show the information like the Anganwadi post may be coming soon or the vacancy will be coming soon. Okay, district name is notification link, Anganwadi recruitment already mentioned available soon. Okay, may be available in any date, so you have to check it thoroughly. Okay, you have to check it regular basis the government website. Then other website or other district already available soon. So still it's not means coming. Okay, Kolahandi, Kendujhar, Kendrapada, Kandhamal, Koraput, many any panchayat or ward may they have the recruitment they can post. Okay, may not be in Odisha basis, total wholly Odisha basis. Maybe have some support for some wards or some panchayat, some block level. Okay, and it's a very official means sorry, it's the means offline basis. In the Anganwadi job you have to apply through offline. Suppose the government will notice the circular regarding the online, so you can directly apply on the online. Otherwise the what I know, the Anganwadi job particularly you have to send through the offline mode. Okay, it's already available soon. Okay, so you have to check it. The Anganwadi means may be coming soon. Okay, the final selection will be given to the candidate on the basis of the performance in the mentioned phase. The written test first stage. Okay, then personal interview or personal test, then document verification third phase. Okay, commencement available soon. It's already available soon. It's not mentioning that whether it's already out, notification out. It's available soon. The last of registration be available soon. Okay, so I am saying only this vacancy will be coming. Okay, it's a very upcoming days or upcoming month, so you have to check it. This is the government website. Okay, wcdodisha.gov.in. Okay, so you should not rely on any other website. You have to check it thoroughly through the government website only. Okay, so this is the notification regarding the upcoming vacancy of the Anganwadi worker, helper, teacher. Okay, so I hope you will get benefit. You will not distract or you will not hurry regarding the other website. You have to check the government website only, wcdodisha.gov.in. Okay, for the Anganwadi worker, helper, teacher post may be coming soon. Okay, so you have to check thoroughly in upcoming days or within 10 days, within 3 days, within 5 days. Every day you can check it, so that you will never miss the update information. Okay, I hope you will share my video so that all will not miss the job information. I hope I will post all the job means regarding the government, private, part time. Okay, so I need only your help. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Utkal.